Hey, g'day there. The old saying says, good things come in small packages. Well, it's true in this case for the KickAss 105 amp hour ultra slim lithium battery. Let's check it out. You ripper. Weighing in at 16.5 kgs and only a B-stick over 67 millimeters wide, the ultra slim design is perfect to install in all those tight places. Aussie designed, developed and engineered. Let's check out what's under the hood. IEC safety certified. We've got prismatic cells, KickAss's famous BMS system with Bluetooth monitoring. We've also got built-in circuit breakers for maximum safety, so you don't have to worry with a KickAss lithium battery. You ripper. USB 3 quick charging, Bluetooth monitoring with the free KickAss app, multiple power outlets, built-in circuit breakers, optional remote display unit, easy fit DC-DC mounting options, 100 amp continuous discharge, so it's absolutely perfect for the KickAss 1000-watt inverter, inbuilt brackets for mounting, so you don't have to worry about any sort of fabrication of brackets, and a 5-year KickAss warranty to boot. Let's take a squiz over all the inputs and outputs, and typical KickAss style, it's all plug and play. Okay, so we have the 250 amp Anderson's inputs and outputs, and the great thing about this, once you connect your KickAss DC-DC into the input, set up your wiring harness, away you go, your whole dual battery system's all done. Next up, we have your USBs. So we've got our USB-A Quick Charge 3 and our PD45 USB-C. How cool is that? Now, we've also thrown in a cigarette lighter socket for all those items that still run a cig socket. Then we have for your optional remote display, just plug it in there and then you can monitor everything that's going on if you don't want to use Bluetooth. Then we have your two 175 amp high current. Now this is great. Want to say run a KickAss 1000-watt inverter or other high current devices, we've got you covered there too. You ripper. So with our Bluetooth connectivity, it's easy as scan the QR code. It'll take you to the website, give you all the directions on what to do. Download the free KickAss app and there you go. You can monitor what the KickAss battery is doing. How cool is that? And for those of you who don't want to use Bluetooth, I'll show you a couple of optional extras you can use with the 105 Slim. Okay, so the first optional accessory I'll show you is our remote display unit. Now this is really cool and it's really handy for those who don't want to use a phone and don't want to use Bluetooth. Comes with a 5-meter cable and plugs directly into the remote display port and away you go. You can start seeing what the battery's doing. You ripper. So my personal favorite accessory is the KickAss mini power box with the display unit built in. So what we do, we can expand our inputs and outputs by another 2 Anderson plugs and have all the extra USBs, cigarette lighter sockets and your light all in the one unit, all plug and play. Okay, next really cool accessory is the KickAss accessory tray mount. This is really cool because you can mount your DC-DC on the inside of this unit. And then with the provided holes on the battery, you can bolt that in there and away you go. How cool is that? So the 105 Ultra Slim is absolutely perfect for a 1000-watt inverter and one of our inverter cables. And I'll show you how easy that is to connect. So there you go. I've got our 1000-watt KickAss inverter, our inverter cable with the high current input. Whack her in. Look at that, our inverter's all wired up. How cool is that? There you go, the KickAss 105 Ultra Slim battery designed for all those tight places. You'll get over 4,000 plus cycles out of this baby with the heavy duty prismatic cells. KickAss 5-year warranty. So head online or in store today. You ripper.